smells like an old barn. Smells like an old. It's pretty nice, actually. Better than the one I got off Craigslist. Got for a bar. Just a bar and chain. Look at that later. Said it ran if you primed it. This thing stinks like varnished. It just, yeah, smells like Gramps' so like Grampy's old shop. When you bring the Model A's in, that stink. It's just old. Anything else in here? It's just... This is an 051. There's no chain brake on it, so it's got to be early 70s. It's still got the spark arrestor. I mean, really, it's not in that bad a shape. Got some numbers on it. It's like it needs some bushings. Oh, that one's hammered. I'm not gonna try and start it right now. I'll just. I got another one. I put that on backwards. Oh yeah. Like I said, I don't know shit about these. Bought a chainsaw at a yard sale probably 3 weeks ago, and since then I've bought 10 chainsaws. So it's an addiction. I'm just collecting them, clean them up. Some I'll keep, like these old Stihls. I like those. Really like the old McCulloughs. That's what started it. McCullough Pro Mac 850. Now we got another box. This one, let's get this chain out of the way. I didn't expect this one to get here so early. It's supposed to come tomorrow. But it showed up, and this is kind of nice. And I waited. I had to wait to come home, do my chores, take care of everything, clean the bench off before I start messing with, you know, these old power saws. Oh yeah, man. This one's super crusty. Like, not really. Wow. Oh yeah, I need some. Now this is just the power head, so I don't have to worry about a bar. But Stihl 041 Super 72cc. You see a lot of 041s, because I've been looking a lot at, you know, the vintage Stihls, and then it's hard to find a Super. It's hard to find, yeah, period. Like top end kits and everything, dime a dozen for this. You can go buy a new top end, new cylinder, piston, everything, gaskets. The Super, I'll have to find somewhere. Hopefully this engine's good. It pulls over. They said it had 130 pounds of compression. Check it out. But I mean, it's clean. So I like the old side plates. I think this was 100. I think I paid 130 for this one. I paid $2 something for this one because it ran, or they said it ran. I believe them. That's pretty much all for the unboxing. But I'm gonna be going through these, rebuilding them, clean them up, make them look nice. Bar, chain, check the oilers. Guess nothing's really complete without a little tour of the shop here. We'll try to edit that out. Anyways, here's all the chainsaws. Got another. I might use that cover if I can. I like how the covers are, instead of the sticker, it's actually cast. Little Mac 30, 1010. This one was like, got that off Craigslist. Carb leaks. That's the next one in line to get fixed. 850. Everyone's seen that. That's a bad motherfucker. The home light. This is a fun little saw. I couldn't believe it. Craigslist, 150. Chain, spark plug. Ran it all day. And then this is the first chainsaw I actually ever bought in my life, period. MS-271, got a Farm Boss. And then there's this cute little thing in here. This thing's pretty cool. The 021. Runs, gonna order a good chain. Chainsaw box. I'm sure everything will, as time passes, I'll upgrade all this. Got the bench cleaned off. Clean some more off. Man, this stuff, simple green. Gramps used this. Kind of reminds me of the old smell of Grampy's shop. I like the old chainsaws. Man, this one right there, see that? Oh yeah, just, man, I wish I could just bottle this. I could probably sell it. Bottle that smell. Anyways, hope everyone enjoys. Stay tuned.